Hi, I'm Naith from InnoLocker, and if you have forgotten your iPhone passcode or your kids try too many failed attempts, then your device is stuck on iPhone unavailable screen. And then if the situation is similar, then this video is for you. Now we are going to unlock it with a simple click. To remove the passcode, we will use 4U key tool, and it's available both MacBook and Windows user. Today I will show you the process on MacBook, but the step is exactly same for Windows user. So first you have to come to this website, and the link is given in the description below. Click on the free download option and install the software. I already installed it on my MacBook. Now I open the tool and you will see a similar dashboard with many features. You can unlock passcode, you can bypass iCloud lock, you can remove Apple ID, remove MDM or remote management locks and more. But today we will use their first option, unlock iOS screen. So I click the start button. Now you have to connect your phone into recovery mode, and here is the instruction. For iPhone 8 and the upper model, you have to one click volume up button, one click volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the phone goes to recovery mode. Once your phone is in the recovery mode, you will see the start button on the tool. So click the start button. Now you will see the download button. Simply click here and wait for complete the downloading process. For me it took around 10 minutes, but it depends on your internet speed. After the download is complete, click the Start Remove button and wait for the process to finish removing the screen lock. Here is usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, the tool will show a message that is screen lock has been successfully removed. Now you simply set up your iPhone again, and it's very easy for any iPhone user. And that's it, everything is done. So I mention you again, if you try their software, the link is given in the description. Just go there and come to this page, simply download and try their tool. So thank you so much, see you on the next video. Till then, take care, tata.